heat by heat, 14 on the lead, part 2. What we did last episode, in case you didn't catch, did a really short square taper, and then a couple of oscillations, and worked on some tapers. So here we go. I'm gonna come to the near side, keep the oscillation set, and that's far side, near side, keep working on that reverse taper. Just gonna try to get that nice and isolated. If you can see this, every heat we're actually reheating the steel mildly. Just rotate 90 degrees, back 90 degrees, 90 degrees, back 90 degrees. And pinching up, back to the far side, shoulders. And then back in the fire for heat number 3. See you there.